there, crafty kids! Welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. Whether you're a returning visitor to the channel or it's your first time here, we're thrilled to have you join our crafty community. Our channel is all about making fun and easy crafts. So let's dive into the world of creativity together. Today we're going to make a paper jellyfish craft. So come on, let's see what we need to get started. We need a paper plate, paint, I'm going to use purple, a paintbrush, a black pen, pink tissue, sticky tape, glue, and a scissors. Cut the paper plate in half. Paint your plate. Pop some paper down so you don't paint the table. Leave it to dry. Cut your tissue into strips. They don't have to be straight. Grab your marker and sheet of paper and draw the eyes. Cut your eye shapes out. Once your paint is dry, flip the plate over. Next, tape your paper strips down. Glue your eyes down onto the paper plate and leave it to dry. Grab your marker and draw a smiling mouth. Ta-da! That looks great! Wow, that turned out really well. How did you get on with yours? Well guys, that's the end of our How to Make a Paper Jellyfish Craft with Yippee Crafts today. I hope you'll join us for our next episode. And don't forget, keep crafting, keep creative, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye-bye. And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.